guys, I hope everybody is okay today and happy like me. And I just want to let you know we have new scripts in my Etsy shop. The link is down below. I just want to show you some of the models we have right now, so you can go and grab yours. Obviously, looking, this is so pretty. It's a hearts, a bunch of hearts. Look at how pretty it is. Oh, maybe this one like that. There we go. Also, we have this one here. It's one of my favorites. I really love it. It's a bunch of hearts again. It's golden. It's just beautiful. I have one for me too. I can show you. They're really pretty. And look at this girl. For Love Day. We are on February. We're in Love Day, so let's go share some love. And better with cookies, right? So we have this one. And we have a bunch of models. If you want to grab yours, just check it out my Etsy shop. The link is down below and grab yours. We have all the prices really, and it's a good quality. So there it is. Tell me what you like most. I like gold so much.